Hello my dear students, I warmly welcome you to CR Digital Classes. So now in this lecture we are going to discussing one of the important topic especially for long answer questions. Okay, so this question repeated so many times in the final examination. Once observe the question carefully. Find the equation of the cone whose vertex is capital A is equal to 1 to 3 and guiding curve of the cone is the circle x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 4 and we have the plane x plus y plus z is equal to 1. This is the problem. So based on this problem we have more 10 to 12 problems based on the same problem only. Just if you listen this problem perfectly, then you can solve any type of problem in this method. First of all, try to understand the problem. In this problem, so we have vertex of the cone. You know very well. So whenever you take a cone shape like this, okay. So this point we can take. That point is a vertex. Here capital A is equal to 1 to 3. That is a given. And guiding curve, whatever you are seeing here, this circle along with this plane is called guiding curve of this cone. So equation of this circle, what is the equation of the circle? X square plus y square plus z square is equal to 4 along with the plane of the circle is x plus y plus z is equal to 1. Okay, combination of this sphere and plane is called circle. This entire circle is the guiding curve of this cone. Now with the help of these three conditions, we have to find the equation of the cone. Okay. So first of all, you know very well equation of the plane passing through the, see, first of all I am writing given vertex of the cone. Vertex of the cone capital A is equal to 1, 2, 3. You know very well, in general we can denote this vertex as alpha, beta, gamma. Okay, and given guiding curve is x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 4 and x plus y plus z is equal to 1. Take it as equation number 1. Take it as equation number 2. Okay. So now equation of the line. Now I am taking equation of the line. Equation of the line. Line is nothing but, you can see here, equation of the line passing through the vertex of the cone. This line we can also call the generator. Okay. For cone, so whatever you have two lines, those two lines are called generators of the cone. Now equation of the line passing through vertex. What is the vertex ma? Alpha, beta, gamma, and the point x1 comma y1 comma z1 is, you know very well, what is the equation? X minus alpha by L is equal to y minus beta by small m is equal to z minus gamma by small n. This is the equation of the cone. Equation of the line passing through the vertex of the cone. Now in place of alpha, beta, gamma, so we can substitute 1, 2, 3. So now substitute in place of alpha, beta, gamma 1, 2, 3. So that implies x minus 1 by L is equal to y minus 2 by m is equal to z minus 3 by n. We are taking this total equation as small r. You know very well, where small r is any constant, take that value as a constant. Now from this condition, so equate the first value is equal to small r and the second value is also equal to small r and the third value is also equal to small r. From this equation, x minus 1 by L is equal to small r. I am taking one condition, and y minus 2 by small m is equal to small r, second condition, and z minus 3 by small n is equal to small r. Now send this L value to RHS. X minus 1 is equal to LR. From this condition, if you send this minus 1 to RHS, LR plus 1, this is the small x value. Similarly, y minus 2 is equal to m into r. So small y is equal to mr plus 2. This is the small y value. Similarly, we can get a small z value. Z minus 3 is equal to n into r, and z is equal to nr plus 3. nr plus 3. Here, therefore, the point small x comma y comma z is equal to, we can write what are the x, y, z values? X value is LR plus 1, comma, y value is MR plus 2, comma, z value is NR plus 3. So what is x, y, z value? See, alpha, beta, gamma is the vertex of the cone. Whenever you take x, y, z is any point of the cone. You can take at any place of the cone, that point you can take. Already we got the values of x, y, z. Then in equation number 1, in place of x, y, z, substitute those values. In equation number 2, x, y, z, wherever you have x, y, z, substitute those values and simplify. Then we get the required condition of the equation of the cone. Now substitute x, y, z values in equation number 1. What is the equation number 1? Equation number 1 is x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 4. Equation of the sphere actually it is. So now see, in place of x, what is the x value? LR plus 1 whole square, plus in place of y, what is the y value? MR plus 2 whole square, plus in place of z, NR plus 3 whole square is equal to 4. Now expand this value with respect to a plus b whole square formula. Okay, so here you have a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square formula. So now with respect to a plus b whole square formula, I am expanding that. So LR plus 1 whole square, L square R square, A square means LR whole square plus 1 plus 2LR into 1 plus next to MR plus 1, MR plus 2, that means M square R square plus 4 plus 2 to the 4 MR. This is the value. Next third value NR plus 3, that means n square r square plus 3 square means 9 plus 2 3 is 6 nr is equal to, what is the RHS value? RHS value is equal to 6. Okay, so once again cross check here. So LR plus 1, MR plus 2, NR plus 3 whole square is equal to 4. Now after applying that a plus b whole square form, see how many r squares are there. Okay, 3 r squares are there. So from these 3 values, take r square common, L square, M square, N square. L square, M square, N square into r square. And from the remaining values, how many small r values are there? So 2LR, 4MR and 6NR. Okay, from all the values, take a small r common. If you take small r common, 2L plus 4M plus 6N into small r. Next, what are the remaining values? Remaining value 1 plus 4 plus 9. 1 plus 4 plus 9. 5 plus 9, we got the 13. 13 is equal to, 14. So that value is 14. 14 is equal to 4. So this is the equation value. So already we have taken equation 1, equation 2. Now take this one as equation number 3. So now substitute x, y, z values. X, y, z values in equation number 2. What is equation number 2? So equation number 2 is x plus y plus z is equal to 1. So from this condition, if you substitute the x, y, z values, what is the x value? LR plus 1 plus y value MR plus 2, MR plus 2, z value NR plus 3 is equal to 1. So therefore, how many small r values are there? LR, MR, NR. Take small r common, L plus M plus small n into small r. How many constants are there here remaining? 1 plus 2 plus 3. So total 6. 6 is equal to 1. Send that plus 6 value to RHS. So L plus M plus N into small r is equal to 1 minus 6 minus 5. I want small r value. Okay, from this equation, what is the small r value? Small r value is equal to minus 5 by, if you send this multiplication value to RHS, it will divide. So L plus M plus N. So this is the small r value. Okay, take it as equation number 4. Now substitute a small r value from equation number 4 in this equation number 3. Wherever you have small r, substitute this equation number 4 small r value. Okay, so then remember carefully equation values. So now I am substituting that value. Substitute equation 4 in equation number 3. In equation number 3. So therefore, equation number 3 value L square plus M square plus N square R square. R square means what is the small r value? Minus 5 by L plus M plus N whole square. R square is there, minus 5. Next, what is the equation number 3? Next continuation, 2L plus 4M plus 6N. Okay, so 2L plus 4M plus 6N. So that implies plus 6N into small r value. What is the small r value? Minus 5 by L plus M plus N. This is the small r value. Plus constant value is 14. 14 is equal to 4. 14 is equal to 4. So now simplify this value. L square plus M square plus N square. Apply the square for the numerator and denominator. 5 square minus 5 whole square means 25 by L plus M plus N whole square. If you separate the square value. And here 2L plus 4M plus 6N I am writing as it is. And here minus 5 by L plus M plus N. Okay. So see, 14 is there. So if you take this, that 4 value to LHS, 14 minus 4, that value will become 10. 10 is equal to 0. 14 minus 4, 10. So now see here, we can take the LCM for these two fractions. What is the LCM value? LCM value is L plus M plus N. L plus M plus N whole square. So if you take that LCM, this value will be same only for the first fraction. 25 into L square plus M square plus N square. Now if you multiply the second fraction with LCM, L plus M plus M, one value will get cancelled. One more value is remaining. So therefore minus 5 into 2L plus 4M plus 6N into one more value is L plus M plus N. And here constant is 10. 10 into LCM value L plus M plus N whole square. Whole square is equal to 0. Now send this LCM denominator value in LCM to RHS. So 0 into L plus M plus N whole square, automatically it will 0. So therefore now I am multiplying this value. 25 into L square, 25 L square plus 25 M square plus 25 N square, and multiply this minus 5 with this factor. First of all, minus 5 to the 10L. Okay, minus 5 for the 20M minus 5 6 the 30N. Okay, so put here plus, I am writing into L plus M plus N plus 10 into, expand this formula A plus B plus C whole square formula. Okay, so what is the A plus B plus C whole square? So you know very well. So A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. So this is the A plus B plus C whole square formula. Accordingly, explain what is the A value here. A is L, B is M, C is N. So according to that formula, A square, that means L square plus B square. B square means M square, C square. C square means N square plus 2AB, 2L m plus 2bc, 2mn plus 2ca, 2nl equal to 0. This is the expansion of the last term L plus M plus N whole square equal to 0. Now, after if you send this denominator value to RHS, 0 into something, 0. Now, whatever the remaining terms are there, multiply this L plus M plus N with this total factor and multiply this 10 value with this total factor and simplify, then we'll get a so remaining value I am writing 25 L square plus 25 M square plus 25 N square. So its previous value is minus 10L, minus 10L into L minus 10L square and M and N. Okay, so with the minus 10L you have to multiply these three values. Okay. Similarly, with minus 20m, you have to multiply these three values. Similarly, you have to multiply minus 30n. Okay. So 10l, first of all, multiply with minus 10l. Minus 10l into l, minus 10l square. Minus 10l into m, minus 10l into n. Okay. So now, what is the next value? Minus 20n, minus 20m. Okay. So with minus 20m, minus 20 L into M, minus 20 into m square, minus 20 into m into n, m into n. Next value is minus 30, minus 30. With minus 30 multiply three values, then minus 30 Ln minus 30 mn minus 30 n into n square. Okay. So last value is plus 10. You have to multiply that L plus M plus N whole square. 10L square plus 10M square plus 10N square plus 2LM. That means 10 into 2, 20LM plus 2MN. That means 10 into 1 means 20MN plus 20 NL equal to 0. This is the total expansion of that equation. Now, see, how many L squares are there? Once cross check. Okay, so here 25 L square minus 10 L square and any more L square value here. Yeah. See, plus 10 L square minus 10 L square, both are same. We can cancel them. Then the remaining value write down here. Okay, so what is the remaining value? 25 L square. Now come to M square values. What is the M square value? So here you have 25 M square and minus 20 M square and here 10 M square. Plus 10 plus 25 plus 10 plus 35 plus 35 minus 20. So 15. Okay, so we can write a plus 15 M square. 15 M square value. Next, similarly, if you take a n square, so 25 n square minus 30 n square and one more value 10 n square. 25 plus 10, 30 n, 35 n square plus 35 n square minus 30 n. So therefore, we'll get only plus 5 n square, plus 5 n square. With this, all square terms completed. Now come to LM terms. LM terms means here you can take so minus 10 LM minus 30 plus 20 LM. 10 LM plus 20 LM. So it will become plus 10 LM. Okay. So plus 10 LM minus 10 plus 20. Come to Mn values or Ln values. If you take Ln, here minus 10 Ln, minus 30 Ln, minus 10 minus 30, minus 40 plus 20. That means minus 20 NL and remaining Mn values. Mn values minus 20 Mn, minus 30 Mn, minus 50 Mn, minus 50 Mn and plus 20 Mn minus 30 Mn equal to 0. Okay. So now this is the value from this total. See, if you observe each and every value, we can take 5 common. Why? Because each and every coefficient is a 5 factor. If you take 5 common, so then from 25 if you take 5, 5l square plus 3m square plus n square plus 2lm minus from 30mn if you take 5 common 6mn from 20 minus 4nl equal to 0. Send that 5 value to RHS. So 0 by 5 0. 5l square plus 3m square plus n square plus 2lm minus 6mn minus 4nl is equal to 0. So now after getting this equation, in place of where what are the LMNs? L, M, N are the direction cosines. Direction cosines of the given plane. Okay, so direction cosines means we have to write those values in terms of x, y, z. So how can we write those values? Okay, x, y, z values, if you see from here, from this equation we can write x, y, z values. See, from this equation, tell me if you take small r is equal to 1, so send small r value to RHS, so 1 into r L. So L is equal to x minus 1, similarly M is equal to y minus 2, similarly z minus 3. Okay, so from this equation we are substituting the values of L, M, N. Okay, directly you can substitute those values here. So then simplify. So from that condition we will get the final solution. So therefore 5 into L value x minus 1 whole square plus 3 into m value y minus 2 whole square plus n value z minus 3 whole square plus 2. What is the L value? X minus 1, m value y minus 2 minus 6 into m value y minus 2, n value z minus 3 and minus 4 into n value again z minus 3 and L value x minus 1 equal to 0. Now the thing is, again we have to apply that a minus b whole square formula, multiply these two factors and simplify, we'll get the final solution. So therefore 5 into x minus 1 whole square, a square plus b square minus 2x. Okay, that means x square plus 1 minus 2x plus 3 into y minus 2 whole square, y square plus 4 minus 4y. So after this, now apply the formula a minus b whole square formula for this term. Z square plus 3 square means 9 minus 6z now plus 2 into multiply these two factors. If you multiply them, further thing, so multiply x with x and x with 2, multiply x with y and x with 2 and multiply minus 1 with y and minus 1 with 2. So then we can take that condition. So similarly x into y minus 2x, next minus y minus into minus plus 2. Similarly do here also minus 6 into multiply y with z and multiply y with 3 and 2 with minus z and minus 2 with minus 3. So then 6 into y into z yz minus 3y. Next minus 2 into z minus 2z minus into minus plus 2 3s are 6. This is the value. And continuation, multiply z with x and z with minus 1 minus 3 into x minus 3 into 1. Final value minus 4 into zx minus z minus 3x minus into minus plus 1 into 3 equal to 0. Think something is missed. I think one symbol is changed. 1 minute. I will change that symbol. Let me cross check once. Yeah, minus 10 lm minus 20 LM, minus 30 plus 20, minus 10 will come. Sorry, it's my mistake. So it is minus 10 LM. Minus 10 LM. So everything will change here. Minus. Then here also minus will come. Okay. Just change minus symbol there. So then minus 10 LM, minus 2 LM, minus 2 LM. Here also minus will come, and that's it. Okay. So now see, continuation, I am multiplying this value. So here also after that value we'll get the minus symbol only. Minus. So now see, multiply with 5. 5x square plus 5 into 1 5 minus 5 to the 10x plus 3y square 3 4 the 12 minus 12y. Next z square plus 9 minus 6z minus 2xy minus into minus plus 4 to the minus into minus plus 2 to the 4x minus into minus plus 2y minus into plus minus 2 to the 4 minus 6yz and minus into minus plus 6 3 is 18y. This value is 18y and minus into minus plus 6 2 is 12z minus 36. Similarly, minus 4zx minus into minus plus 4z minus into minus plus 4 3 is 12x and minus 4 3 is 12 equal to 0. So now after getting this value, be careful while finding the values. You can see here we have 5x square. Okay, only 5x square. Here we have here we have only 5x square. Write that value, 5x square value, 5x square. After 5x square, 3y square. Okay, so plus 3y square. After 3y square plus z square, so z square. Now after completion of these values, next to take xy term. Here you have minus 2xy. Okay, so here you have minus 2xy. So write that value, minus 2xy. Okay, so next after minus 2xy, minus 6yz. Okay, so minus 6yz, after minus 6yz, minus 4zx, okay, so you have to write in this format. Now continuation, after that value 10x. Okay, here you have minus 10x and one more plus 4x and 12x. Okay, minus 10, 4 plus 12, 16, 16 minus 10 plus 16 minus 10 plus 6x. Okay, plus 6x, but we are getting plus 6x only, that value. Next minus 12y. Okay, here you have minus 12y and plus 2y and plus 18y and one more y value is 18 plus 2 20, 20 minus 12, 20 minus 12 means you will get 8y. Okay, so plus 8y. After 8y, z value, z here 12z, 4z, 16z minus 6z, 16z minus 6z plus 10z. Now come to constant values. What are the constants here? 5 is one value and 5 plus 12, 17 plus 9, 26. 26 minus 4 minus 36 minus 40 minus 12 minus 52. Minus 52 plus 20, 26, you will get minus 26 equal to 0. Minus 52 plus 26 equal to minus 26 equal to 0. So finally, required equation of the cone. Required equation of the cone is this is our required cone equation. 5x square plus 3y square plus z square minus 2xy minus 6yz minus 4zx plus 6x plus 8y plus 10z minus 26 equal to 0. In this format, we have to find the equation of the cone by using the given vertex and the given equation of the circle. Okay, so this is the total explanation of this problem. So in this format, okay, so in CA publication material, you have few more problems based on this concept. These are the similar problems based on this concept only. Finding the equation of the cone passing through one vertex and they will give one guiding curve equation or a circle equation. Circle is nothing but this is the guiding curve. Okay, here you have a circle equation and one plane equation. Same process, substitute that point here and write the generator equation. And here also find the equation of the cone whose vertex is at the origin. You know very well, origin is nothing but only O comma 0 comma 0 comma 0 and which passes through the curve by the equations. Here you have the guiding curve in this format. Okay, ax square plus by square plus cz square equal to 1 and the plane equation is lx plus my plus nz is equal to p. This problem also we can do in the same method. And the third problem in the method is find the equation of the cone which passes through the 3 coordinate axis. Passes through the 3 coordinate axis means on x coordinate y z value 0. So as well as the 2 lines. These are the 2 lines. Okay, these are the 3 problems based on the same process. Okay, once go through and solve these problems also. Okay, so I hope you understood this problem very well. So in the next lecture we are coming with another method. Okay, make a perfect practice, prepare well. Until bye, thank you.